Hello children. Can you guess few uses of water? You have 30 seconds to think about the answer. The time starts now. Time's up. Well, could you guess any? Hope you did. Okay, now let us learn about 10 uses of water. We use water for drinking. We use water after brushing our teeth. We wash our hands with water. We use water to take bath. We water the plants. We need water to cook our food. We wash the dishes with water. We wash our clothes with water. We need water for cleaning. We need water for sanitation. Hope you will remember these 10 uses of water.